Hey everyone, welcome back to Schematica. Ben Jordan here, coming at you with another quick tip in Altium Designer. For those of you who are aware of an embedded board array, and those who aren't, this is a feature that allows you to put multiple different boards and flip and rotate them into your own palette or panel, which you can then send off to manufacturing. This can be very useful for products where you have multiple boards in one assembly. It can also be useful just for doing multiple different prototypes and economizing on the production run. And just so you see what that kind of looks like. And so we've got, V-scores. And so here's the thing. You may be confused if you generate an embedded board array when you go to generate Gerber files versus ODB++. If you create Gerbers, Gerber is a less intelligent, older flat file format, and you can see everything that's been added to your Gerbers that share the same layers. So we can immediately come in here and you can isolate your top layer copper and look at that, right? So, or etc., etc. But if you're using ODB++, you may come in here and only see one of the boards in the array. And the reason for that is ODB++ is actually a hierarchical, more intelligent file format. You may see the panel. So don't panic if this is more like what you see, just the panel itself with your V-grooves and maybe holes and copper that was added directly to the panel board file, but not the actual board designs. It is going to look different in ODB++, and that's because of this hierarchy. So you see the panel has within it these three other boards, and we can double click on those at this higher level to open each one up individually. So the data is actually there to manufacture everything, and there it is. And of course, once you're in here, you can isolate layers and do your DFM checks on each individual board and all of that. So no problems there. Okay, hope that's helpful. If it is, please thumbs up, hit the bell icon, subscribe, comment below. Do you use embedded board arrays? Are you confused by them? Would you like to learn more? What's your favorite production output? Do you normally use ODB++, or do you stick with good old Gerber? Does it depend on where you're sending the files to? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.